Alright, so the car is all washed and cleaned. I got it off jack stands, as you guys saw. Went all around the car, did a nice wash on it, tire shine. I still have to clean the interior. I'm not going to show that because it's just going to be wiping down and that would be boring. I'm probably going to do the wheel spacers for this evening, and the boy Dane is supposed to be coming over here soon, so I'm not too sure when, but he'll pop up here eventually. The car looks really good. I ordered new rear camber arms so we can fix that. I bought the Circuit Sport ones that are made by Injuku instead of those stupid Godspeed ones. I should have just went with the good ones off the bat, but you know me. I was like, oh no, they'll be fine. They'll be alright. Nah. The interior has been completely cleaned, so now I'm going to move it back. I got some thread lock from AutoZone when I went out to get cleaning supplies, and I'm gonna jack up the front and put the wheel spacers on. And I do believe this is Dane pulling up right now, so we're gonna catch him. Catching him mid clip. What's up?
ASAP, bro.
Alrighty, so
yo, what is up, guys? It is
Dane is here. Dane is.
Case kids.
He's gonna be doing his front coilovers, and I'm gonna start working on the front wheel spacers. So I'm gonna start digging into that now. Alright, so I have the first side on. Dane, Jashawn's here now. You halfway through your coilovers now?
Yeah, we just got them off. I almost broke my middle finger, but
Set my ass on the pipe.
yeah, he was actually sitting on the pipe to get this one out.
Alright, the second front spacer is on. Inch thick. So we're gonna slap the wheel back on there.
Thick boy season.
Alright, so the fronts are completely lowered. Everything's all good. Got it in there. Super tight fitment. Almost gonna rub my fenders. Now, Dane's done with his coilovers pretty much. Sean's here, Dane's here already. We got Marcus.
Yeah.
We got Jason. All the whips. Teggy. Scion. Mazda. Another Mazda. Another Mazda. Alright, we still might go on the cruise. We're gonna miss the sunset. Well, we missed the sunset.
By like
an hour. So,
We still got time.
we'll figure it out.
Dane, do you have $5 on you?
I do.
There's a McChicken bun on the ground.
Eat it.
Ew.
I bet you won't.
Nah, that's pretty raunchy, my guy.
5.
That's 5?
Even better.
I got 5 in my car.
Just eat it.
Oh shoot.
Good man.
The whole
There's no way.
$5.
There's no way.
Oh, crunchy.
Oh,
Hey, it's crunchy too.
it's probably a rock.
Do I have to swallow it?
It's up to the jury.
Well, yeah, if you're gonna.
Crunching dirt.
I think I might have some water you can waterfall. You want 5?
So, we got the Miata, my Miata, the Mazda 3, the Scion TC, and of course, Acura Integra Teggy.